Okay, on my way to pick up these kitties from school. See how they did in school. Josiana's been doing good all week. Yeah, so let's go pick them up, shall we? My peace and quiet is over. Hopefully you can have a calm Thursday afternoon. We gonna see.
Don't run over there.
Mama?
Where's your headband? Hi. Where's your headband? What do you mean it broke?
Because it was sitting on it.
Oh gosh.
It broke.
Hi. What's funny about that?
Maybe I got him.
No piece. The piece is just gone.
Oh, shoot. I got his juice.
Okay, so you know how to open the window, you know how to get out. Go straight in the house. Thank you. Straight in the house, Hosian. You too, Lily. Just go in the house.
My shoes broke. My shoes laying there. So close to calling you everywhere.
What you doing? Waiting for something to eat? Alright, I'm about to make some chicken.
Where's my blue shirt?
Don't make that chicken. Don't make that
No, it's there. I left my blue shirt over there.
No, you didn't. It's in the car.
I want to kick Maya because she was doing a lot of stuff.
Look at mommy, she's a dinosaur.
What?
You gonna make sure you finish all that homework, right? Don't lie and say you did and didn't do it.
Fine.
Yes, you do.
He said, Dad, how
You all done?
Like, eat it up.